Global warming is a pressing issue affecting our planet's climate and ecosystems. At its core, global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to human-induced activities. This troubling trend is primarily driven by the relentless accumulation of greenhouse gases, GHGs, in the atmosphere, which act like a thick blanket, trapping heat and rising temperatures. The immediate consequences of global warming are alarming. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities, while unpredictable precipitation patterns disrupt agriculture and water supplies. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes and droughts are becoming more frequent, wreaking havoc across various regions. Additionally, the expansion of deserts pushes agriculture into more vulnerable areas, impacting food security and ecosystems. The driving force behind global warming can primarily be traced back to human activities that produce GHGs, including carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane, CH4. The burning of fossil fuels for energy and transportation releases a significant amount of CO2 into the atmosphere. Agriculture and livestock farming contribute to methane emissions through digestive processes and waste decomposition. Moreover, nitrous oxide N2O is released from synthetic fertilizers, and chlorofluorocarbons CFCs, though regulated, still linger in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. We must also consider the role of deforestation, which reduces the planet's ability to absorb CO2, exacerbating the problem. With widespread forest loss, not only do we lose biodiversity, but the balance of our climate system suffers as well. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, has reported that human activity is unmistakably influencing climate patterns, pointing to the urgent need for collective action. Addressing global warming requires collaboration on a global scale. The Paris Agreement, adopted in 2015, aims to limit temperature rise to well below 2 degrees C, ideally 1.5 degrees C, compared to pre-industrial levels. However, the recent assessments warn that even achieving the 1.5 degree C target will not eliminate climate-related losses, creating an urgent call for immediate action in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Mitigating global warming involves transitioning to renewable energy sources, enhancing energy efficiency, and promoting sustainable agriculture and forestry practices. Personal responsibility, community initiatives, and governmental policies are all necessary to create impactful change. Through collective efforts, we can combat global warming and protect our planet for future generations. Global warming is a critical challenge affecting our planet, with profound consequences that are increasingly visible. One of the most alarming impacts is sea level rise driven by the melting of glaciers and the thermal expansion of seawater. Coastal and island communities face the threat of submersion, as well as the devastating influence of storm surges overwhelming their defenses. As our ocean levels continue to rise, entire ecosystems and the livelihoods of millions hang in the balance, urging immediate awareness and action. Ecosystem changes represent another significant